Hello students, this is the second part of customizing tables in MS Access 2007. In this chapter, we are going to learn about primary key and the relationships which exist between different tables in a database and how to exist or how to create a relationship between the different tables in a database. For further details and descriptions, let's have a look at the slides. In customizing tables MS Access, we have already learned how to create a table and how to customize the table in the design view. Now we are going to learn about relationships. What is a relationship in MS Access? A relationship in MS Access connects information between different tables. A relationship works by matching data in key columns, usually columns that have same name in both tables. Table relationships can be created between two tables as long as they have a common field. Setting the relationship in Access is very important. Once a relationship is established, we can view information from both tables at the same time by creating a query. Forms and reports are built from queries or tables. Relationships are created using a primary key from one table and linking it to a related field in another table, now called a foreign key. Now, how to establish a relationship? Click the Relationships command in the Show Hide group on the Database Tools tab in the ribbon. When the Show Table dialog box appears, select each table name and click Add for the tables we want to relate. When we are done, close the Show Table dialog box. Now, whatever tables we have created, they will be shown like this. Tables must be closed in order to establish relationships. Now we can see a relationship map that contains all the tables that were selected. Moving tables in the relationship map. To move a table that appears in the relationship map, we have to place the mouse over the table we want to move. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the table to a new location. Release the mouse button to drop the table in its new place. Relating tables. There are few ways to establish relationships between tables. First, using the Edit Relationships command located on the Design tab on the ribbon. Second, using the drag and drop method. Both methods will give the same end result, but the drag and drop method is much easier and saves several steps. Relating tables with the drag and drop method. It's easy to relate the table from the relationship map. Select a field name from one table by holding down the left mouse button. Drag the field name from one table to the other table in the desired relationship. Drop the first field name onto the field name that you want to relate by releasing the left mouse button. In the above example, in the slide, we selected the book ID field from the book table and dragged and dropped it on the book ID field in the order table. The Edit Relationships dialog box appears. Select the Enforce Referential Integrity option. Click Create. The relationship between the tables will be shown as it has been shown in the slide. Now, understanding the types of relationships. MS Access allows for different types of relationships. One-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-many. The relationship type that will come across most frequently is the one-to-many relationship. One-to-many. The one-to-many relationship means that data for that field will show up a single time in one table but many times in the related table. For example, let's look at one of the book titles in the library. The book ID for that book should appear only once in the books table, but it will probably appear many times in the orders table because it is hoped that it gets ordered by many people many times. And the symbol will be look like this only as it has been shown in the slide. Now let's take a quick sum up. Whatever we have learned till now. Each table should always have a primary key. Access automatically creates a primary key for us and assigns it a field name of ID and the auto number data type. A foreign key, simply stated, is another table's primary key. A relationship is how to tell the program that a piece of information means the same thing in more than one table. Relationships are created using a primary key from one table and linking it to the related field in another table known as foreign key. Sorting is probably the simplest way to look at data together in an organized manner. Data can be filtered in MS Access 2007 using filter by field and filter by selection methods. When you filter by field, Access 2007 finds all the values that have been entered in the specified field. Now, a quick sum up about relationship. A relationship is how we tell the program that a piece of information means the same thing in another table. Relationships are created using a primary key from one table and linking it to the related field in another table known as foreign key. That's all for today, children. Thank you and have a nice day.